Kraksalo Kaisa Nokhla Kuthum Pandani Bisingtwi Ramchandra Ghat Constituency Tipra Motha candidate James Debbarmani Manjakmwngo Dalbidal Bodol Yakarwi Akhora Amchai 1 family ni 6 voters day Rasarajnagar Chini 3 family ni 12 voters Romkha Tipra Motha Bodolni Bana Yapharwi Bohrokno Lamjaksagwi Naharkha candidate James Debbarma
Long live, white hair, long live, long live, long live, Kumagra, long live, long live, long live.
Ashlo Bodol Slemani Pandani Yagulo Tanzani Farnuti Shaka Ramchandra Ghat Constituency candidate James Debbarma.
IPF political party na 2021 Mohara Zefro job to Tripurani regional party Bohrokno ek engdi hinai koifro ek mani pore duka rakha tini haino hai Moharas election is sakang onek bar why borok be kurengkha kok salaikya tai Moharas o kok bosaka o jorao party versus jati ni choba mang nai and joto political party Yakarwi Tipra Motha by join khai eba political party alliance singai sung choba ma khaini hini sapuru borok ni kuno response nukjagya tini je kok borok species haitongo mathe mojane haitongo obo reality o sung nukjagya IPF ti borong so obo hai sayakari borok internally sungbai malai Maharaj bai malai o alliance ni kok sakanga blaike chakhumu sudu matro basono simi rekhaino thansangya boskango bokhabaibo thansangna ne haisi
Bureau report Chini Khorang.